Tenths and hundreds, the topic what we are discussing. Decimals, how to keep decimal, all this we discuss. Now comparison of decimals we are going to do now. Look at the first question. Look at the first question. Sports day, the school at Malapuram has its sports day. The first 5 children in the long jump are given. The record of the first 5 students, long jump. Tina, 3.5 meters, 3 meters, 50 centimeters. Meena, Rehana, Anu, and Amina. These are the records of these 5 students is given. Okay. Now, based on this, we have the questions. First question, how far did Anu jump? Write the questions. Write the questions. You have to first draw the table. This table is there, no? Tina, Meena, Rehana, Anu, and Amina. How far did Anu jump? How many meters? How many centimeters?
3 meters, 5 centimeters.
Not 5 centimeters. 0, 5.
2.5. 0.5.
0.05. It is not 5 centimeters.
0.5.
Yeah, it is 5. Okay. 0.5 means 5 only. Correct. 5 centimeters. First question. Anu. The answer is 3 meters and 5 centimeters. Correct. 3 meters and 5 centimeters. Done the first question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the winner of the long jump is Rehana.
Yes.
Rehana.
Rehana, because 4.5 is the highest.
Rehana. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Who are the first, second, third positions?
The first one is Rehana, second one is Meena, and the third one is Tina.
Tina, sir. Yeah.
Rehana, Meena, Tina.
Rihana first one, Meena second one, and 3.5. Rihana, Meena, and Tina.
Tina.
Sir, just a second.
Sir, we had
Done with the answers.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Meena and Tina.
Tina.
It's very simple. Problems are based on the same table. Table is there, just answer.
Sir, I have also drawn the table.
Not necessary. Table you have to draw in the first question. And all these three based on it.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Generally, when male people attend the army or police physical test, there they will measure the chest expansion before breathing, after breathing. So after breathing out, on taking breath in. So before breathing, 1.52 meters is the chest size. After breathing, 1.82 meters. So what is the difference in the size? You have to write only the question.
0.30 meter.
Yes, 0.30 meters.
Meter.
You just write the measurements and difference. Don't draw the diagram.
Sir, these all are in textbook also.
It is there in the textbook.
Sir, you will send it.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Sir. Sir, we have to write this also?
Yes, yes. We have to find the present height of Dinesh. I will rearrange the question for you. What is the height of Dinesh? What is the height? What is the present height of Dinesh? We don't know. That we have to find. What is given? For 2 meters height, still 45 centimeter needed.
So we'll just minus
So
2000.
still 45 centimeters needed to become 2 meter high. So 2 meter minus 45 will be the present height. Will be.
The 2 meters
It is in
equals
centimeters. This is in meters. So 2 meters means I can write 200
to
centimeters.
200 centimeters.
200 minus 45, 155
155.
centimeters. That means 1 meter and 55 centimeters.
55 centimeters.
Present height is 1 meter 55 centimeters.
Done.
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir. So what is the currency of Korea?
Currency of
Korea, sir.
Korea. Currency of Korea, I don't remember, but I have prepared here. Let us see.
Won.
Won.
So the currency name is won.
Maybe.
Yes.
Dollar.
Done.
Won. Dirham.
Different country currencies are I have shown here. Don't write all this. How the currency looks: Sri Lankan currency, USA, South Africa, UAE. Yes.
Sir, we have to write this.
No, no, this you can copy. It is there in the textbook also.
This right?
You can take the Xerox copy and paste it. But questions are based on this.
Okay, sir.
Look at this first question. Make it fast.
I mean, England.
The money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? In Indian rupees,
England.
in Indian rupees, which cost more? 1 pound equal to 77 rupees 76 paise. So England currency is the costly when compared to Indian currency. When in the
But if
comparison
we
of all
want-
other.
If we bring 1 pound, it will be like 76 rupees.
Yes, answer is England because 1 pound is 77 rupees 76 paise.
Just a minute, sir.
This table is here in the textbook. You can draw later. First answer the questions. That is important.
Sir, you will send it.
Yes, how many times you ask the same question? This is you are asking third time. This the first question is done. You have to
Yes,
write
sir.
only question answer. This table is there in the textbook. You can draw the table later, or you can take the Xerox and you can paste it later. England money will cost most in Indian rupees.
Indian rupees. Sir, it's very costly.
Yeah.
Mitu's uncle.
B. Mithun Sankul in America had sent 10 USA dollars as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him?
10 US dollars.
10 USA dollars. I will do the calculation. Please concentrate here.
So we'll just minus it. I mean, we'll multiply 39 into 10.
$1 equal to 39.6 70 Indian rupees. $10. 39.70 into 10. Into 10. The multiplication I have shown there as a table. 39700 into 10 means 1 0 increases. Look at this. After decimal, 2 places are there. So decimal to be kept here.
Tens and hundreds.
In this question, decimal, after decimal, 2 places are there. So we keep decimal here. After decimal, zeros are meaningless. So this I can write as 397. 0.00 can be neglected. Decimal multiplication, one has to be very careful. While multiplying with other number, first go for normal multiplication. When putting the decimal, you should be very careful. So 397 rupees. Value of $10. Okay, what is the amount spent? Amount spent on the school trip, 350 rupees. What is the balance? Balance after spending, 47 rupees is the balance.
Sir, 397 rupees are left. I mean, he has and 47 are left.
So 47 rupees are left.
Yes, sir.
Rupees. 47 rupees answered. Over, sir. Done.
Sir, if we multiply decimal, sir, just now we did 390 is 7. So 350 into 10 in their decimals. We can multiply by decimals. Can we multiply decimals?
Without decimal, forget about the decimal, go for normal multiplication. After getting the answer, you count how many places are there after decimal. Here after decimal, 2 places. Here there is no decimal. So finally after decimal, 2 places. So 2 places, put decimal in front of 2 places. If you keep doing some problems, same time you will get the information. Suppose you have 3.5 into 10. So forget about decimal. 35 into 10 is 350.
350.
But after decimal, 1 place is there, 1 digit. Here no decimal.
35.0.
So after decimal, 1 digit, that is 35. This is how we multiply with decimals.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Next one. Mazid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1000 dirhams as salary. Arjun's father working in Sri Lanka, who gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees, who gets more salary in the form of Indian money.
Sir, Majid.
Yes.
Majid father.
One dirham is 10.80 Indian rupees.
इसको और इसको meaning is the
1000 dirhams.
Harsh, mute yourself.
Who is talking there?
Harsh, mute yourself.
What is 10,000 dirhams? 10.80 into 1000. Sorry, 1000. Whenever you are multiplying with 100 or 1000, just zeros will be increased. 1080 is this, 3 zeros will be increased. That is a normal multiplication, but decimals are here. After decimal, 2 places. So decimal will come here. It become 10,800 rupees in Indian currency. Now, one Sri Lankan rupee. One Sri Lankan rupee is 0.37 Indian rupees. 2000 Sri Lankan rupees is 0.37 into 2000. You have to multiply with 37 into 2, which will be 74. And 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. After decimal, 2 places. So it is 740 rupees. So Mazid's father income is more when compared to Arjun's father, because Sri Lankan currency is very less when compared to dirham.
Most of the countries which are not neighboring countries of us has more currency.
Okay. Do the calculation carefully. It takes time. Do slowly. No hurry, because we are learning how to multiply decimals. Keeping decimal after multiplication is very, very important. In the beginning, how many places? Same places you will get after multiplication. No change in that.
Sir, I got the multiplication. Sir, I got the multiplication.
Oh, good.
Done.
Is this completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
No, sir. No, sir.
Try this now.
sir.
Lina's auntie brought a present for her cousin from China. It cost 30 yuan. China currency.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
China
Completed.
currency, 1 yuan is rupees 550. 30 means you have to multiply with 30.
Sir,
Yes.
Hong Kong dollars and one. One is their currency.
Look at the table.
Yes.
One is 0.04 Korea currency. Hong Kong dollar is 5.10. How many one can she change for rupees 4 and rupees 400? Look at the first question. Dollars we do later. One won is 0.04 rupees. 0.04 means 4 to 100. This is 4 by 100 rupees. One won is 4 by 100. If you multiply with 100 on both the sides, 1 won is 4 by 100 rupees. So 100 won will be 4 rupees. One is this, multiply with 100, multiply with 100, 100 gets cancelled. So 4. 1 won is 4 by 100, then 100 won will be 4 rupees. So this is the first answer. For 4 rupees, he will get 100 ounce. Next. For 400 rupees, 4 rupees into 100 rupees. 400 means 4 into 100. For 4 rupees, how many he will get? 100 ounce into 100. That is 10,000 won.
Done, sir.
No, sir.
So,
For 4 rupees, 100 ounce. For 400 rupees, 10,000 won. How many Hong Kong dollars she is going to get for rupees 508?
Sir, we have to write this also.
Yes, this is the next question.
Sir, I didn't understand the second question.
Which one? This
Sir,
Hong Kong
the
dollar
second-
problem? This one or previous one?
Sir, this one. How many Hong Kong dollars can
Yeah,
we
this I will
save?
explain. I will explain. Nothing to worry. How many Hong Kong dollars she will get for 500 rupees? 508 rupees. Okay. 1 Hong Kong dollar is rupees 5 rupees 10 pice. 5 rupees 10 pice. Okay. If this is converted into paise, what happens? $500 paise plus 10 paise, which will be 510 paise.
510 paise.
1 Hong Kong dollar is 510 paise. 510 paise. Okay. We are going to spend 508 rupees. 508 rupees. 508 into 100 paise. If everything changed into paise, this will become 50,800 paise. Okay. Now 50,800 paise we have. $1 is 510 paise. So how many can be purchased? How many dollars can be purchased with this amount? So you have to divide this with this. 50800 divided by 510. $1 is this much. We have this much amount. So if you divide, you will get the answer. Division, if it is difficult, division. Let me try with 9 because 510, 508 almost near, equal, almost. So not 10 times, 9 times I would like to go.
Okay, sir.
Division, 9 times.
Sir.
9 times division.
Hmm.
So 0, 9, here 4. Again 9 times.
Okay, sir. Sir, Rohit is coming from 5th C, sir.
5th C.
Yes, sir. Rohit, roll
5th
number
C.
24.
How
He's
5th C
coming
is
into
coming
our
in our
class, sir.
class?
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Rohit.
Lohit.
R-O. Rohit. R-O.
RO is not there, no?
He just, he's there, sir. Rohit. 24, sir. 24. 5th C.
Rohit 5th C. Mr. Rohit, why you came to this class?
Sir, he's coming and going, coming and going.
Let me remove him, that's all. Okay, he's removed. We will not do any more. Okay, don't look at the solution which is there on the screen. I am doing an easy solution for you. So we have this much paise with us. $1 is this much paise, so divide. Division has to be done carefully. 310 is a small number when compared to this. So what is the quotient? 99. $99. Has to be 310 paise. That is one.
ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది పోయింది ఇప్పుడే.
Sir, someone is unmuted.
Bhumika.
వాటి ఇలా చెప్పు.
Bhumika, mute yourself.
Yeah. So I did the solution here. Easy solution. Don't look at the solution which is there on the screen. $1 means 510 rupees. That is 510 paise. We have 508 rupees with us. We have 508 rupees. That is 508 into 100. That will become 50800 paise. These many paise we have, those many paise needed for $1. So divide. Division has to be done with a lot of care. Division has to be done with lot of care to get the answer. $99 is the quotient. Balance is 310. So 310 is the balance. So that's all for today's class. The remaining topic we will see in the next class. We will try to close this topic in the next class. It's a very important decimal. That's why it's taking time, but I'm doing slowly.
Done, sir.
Yeah, you can leave the class. Those who completed.
Thank you, sir.
Done,
Bye,
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.